Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to add a beautiful customizable music player to your WordPress site using Elementor. No coding required, just drag, drop, and play. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have two things. First, WordPress installed and running. Second, the Elementor Page Builder plugin. The free version works great. And one more thing, your music files. MP3 format works best. Got everything? Awesome. Let's install the widget. Get the plugin link from the video description and follow my steps to learn how to use this free add-on. Go to the description below this video. You'll find a link to the GitHub page. Click the green code button, then choose Download Zip. Save that file to your computer. Now log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, click Choose File, select the zip you just downloaded. Hit Install Now, then Activate. That's it. The widget is ready to use. Now let's add the player to your page. Open any page with Elementor. In the left panel, search for Mini Music Player. Drag the widget onto your page. You'll see a sample player appear. Let's make it yours. First, the tracks. Click Add Item to add a song. Fill in the track name and the artist name. Next, upload a cover image. Just click the box and choose from your media library. Then upload your MP3 file. Same process. Click, choose, done. Want to link to Spotify or YouTube? Paste the URL in the external link field. When someone clicks the track name, it'll open that link in a new tab. Add as many tracks as you like. Reorder them by dragging. Now let's make it look amazing. Pick a background color for the player. Choose your accent color. This colors the play button and hover effects. Adjust the icon color, text color, and progress bar colors. Want a different font? Open the typography section. Pick any Google font. Change the size, weight, even line height. You can also round the corners or adjust the player width. Every change updates live. No refreshing needed. All right, all your settings are done. Now let's see it in action. Click the Update button in Elementor. Then click View Page to open your live site. There it is, your beautiful music player. Live on your website. Click the play button. Hear your track start. Let's try a few different looks. I'll change the player background to a darker shade. And that's it. You just added a pro-level music player to your WordPress site without writing a single line of code. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I read everyone. Want more Elementor tips? Hit subscribe and the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.